We're starting number 10. Guys, focus. Wyatt. It says here that U1 is starting with 5. Okay? So how do I figure out what U2 is? What is U2 equal to? The pattern here is 1/3 minus 4. So what is U2? What's it equal to? Okay, that's okay. Norman, what is U2 equal to? What is it equal to? Remember, we're doing this one with 1/3 U minus 4. So what is U2 equal to? Try to say. What do you think? You don't know? Okay. Michael.
No, what is 1/3 regular?
1/3.
Do you know? Hold on. Michael.
Putting it 2 times a day.
U1?
6.66.
What is U2 equal to?
No, but it stops at
Not sure yet?
It's like 0.66.
Okay. Dante, help me. What is U2 equal to?
I was gonna say we're discussing that right now. I'm trying to figure it out too because.
Perfect. That's what I want. Remember, it always deals with the last one, U1, right?
Yeah, and U1 equals 5.
Yeah, but we don't want to work. We want to put it in terms of U1. So we're going to put U1 over here. Okay? You see that, Wyatt? You see that, Norman?
So what do you do with U?
So what are we doing with it? What do we do with the U? What do we do?
You subtract -11/3.
No. What are we doing to it? Guys,
What, like multiply?
we're multiplying by what?
1/3.
One what? Yes. It tells you right here. We're multiplying by 1/3. So we're going to multiply this by 1/3. Then what are we going to do to it?
Subtract by 4.
That's it. Subtract by 4.
I'm sorry, I'm slow down.
That's it. Do you see that?
And that's for 2, or is that still for 1?
That's for number 2.
So that's to find 2.
Yes. Now, I don't care about the numbers yet. Help me out with what is U sub 3 then?
U sub 3 would be.
Whoa. Shh. You know it.
We can't.
I need people who don't know it. I know. So practice in your
We
head.
can't say it.
White or Norman or Michael.
I don't like
So
it.
we gotta find U sub 3.
Yeah.
So
In terms of U sub 2. So I want U sub 2 right here. What goes in front of U sub 2?
okay. 1/3.
That's it. What goes at the end? That's it. Norman. Just Norman. Okay? U sub 4 is equal to something in terms of U sub 3. How am I going to write it? What goes in front of U sub 3? Yes. And what goes at the end? Good. Wyatt and Norman. That's good. So you got to the -4. But now we can all do the next one, right?
Yeah.
What's U5? U5 is
1/3 minus 4.
perfect. So we can do that all day long. Now let's plug that in. Okay? Now what is U1? 5. Okay, so it tells me it's 5.
So 1/3 times 5.
Perfect. See how now that's crappy, right? That's some hard stuff, right? Okay?
What the fuck?
1/3 5, right? Is this what? 5/3 minus 4,
Yeah.
right? So 1 1/3 minus 4 would be what? Negative
Negative
3 2/3.
negative 2 2/3, right?
Yeah, 2 and 2/3.
2 2/3,
Oh,
right?
I want tuna fish.
What?
And then we're going to plug in negative 2 2/3 and multiply it by a third and subtract it by 4. And then we're going to put, you see what I'm saying? Pretty nasty stuff, right? The key isn't about the math. You can plug that in your calculator and do the math, right?
So,
the key is to understand this.
so if you put this on our test, that's all you want us to know is how to do
Absolutely. This year, for you guys,
But do you
this year, I'm stepping you up to this level.
But do you want us to also, like, if we can, try and explain the math?
If you can do the math, I'll give you extra credit.
Okay, say no more.
Look at a calculator, right?
Yes.
No, just calculate.
Yes, you get a calculator.
You can use your phone.